Hello, Assalamu alaikum viewers. Hope you're fine. Today I'm going to present some information about the Great Wall of China. The Great Wall of China is an ancient wall in China. The wall is made of cement, rocks, bricks, and powdered dirt. It was finished in 1878 and it was meant to protect the north of the Empire of China from enemy attacks. It is the longest structure humans have ever built. It is about 21,196 kilometers, 13,171 miles long, 9.1 meters, 30 feet wide, and 15 meters, 50 feet high. The earlier sections on the wall are made of compacted dirt and stone. Later in the Ming Dynasty, they used bricks. There are 7,000 watchtowers, blockhouses for soldiers, and beacons to send smoke signals. A picture of the Great Wall of China. The Great Wall of China in Shanhaiguan. Ruins of a watchtower on the Great Wall. 19 walls have been built were called the Great Wall of China. The first was built in the 7th century BC. The most famous wall was built between 226 to 200 BC by the first emperor of Imperial China, Qin Shi Huang, during the Qin dynasty. Not much of this wall remains as people have been stealing from it. It was much farther north than the current wall. The current wall was built during the Ming dynasty. Qin pronounced like Chin. Building the Great Wall of China. Building the Great Wall of China. Builders used materials that were nearby. Some parts of the walls were made of mud, straw, and twigs. Thousands of workers died from giant falling stones, exhaustion, disease, animal attacks, and starvation. The workers who died were buried in and under the Great Wall is a myth. It was built by two dynasties. Some rumors about the Great Wall of China. Rumors about astronauts being able to see the Great Wall from the moon are scientifically not proven. The Great Wall has shown up in radar images taken from the space, but scientists are sure it is not possible for the astronauts to see the wall with a naked eye. One astronaut who spoke about the visibility of the Great Wall from space was Neil Armstrong. He said that on the moon it was very clear that the wall was not visible. However, astronaut William Pogue was able to see the wall from low Earth orbit, distance 300 to 530 km height, but only with binoculars and with lots of practice. Why the Great Wall was built? To prevent invasion, to protect Silk Road trade. In the Qin dynasty, the first emperor of Qin linked the northern walls to prevent invasion from the northern nations. In the Han dynasty, the emperors extended the Great Wall far into today's western China to protect Silk Road trade. But also, there was a special reason. A magician told him that his enemies will invade his land. That's why he started to build it. Area of the Great Wall. The height of the Great Wall is 5 to 8 meters, 16 to 26 feet were intact restored. It was designed to be at least 3 times the height of a man. Some of the walls was built along bridges which make it look taller. Its area is about 2,400 km, 1,500 miles from Gansu province to the Yellow Sea north of Beijing. A short history about the Great Wall. The first emperor of China, Qin Shi Huang, also called Shi Huangdi, started the Qin dynasty. The Xiongnu tribes in the north of China were his enemies. The land in some parts of China is easy to cross, so Qin Shi Huang started building the Great Wall to make it look more difficult for the Xiongnu to invade China. Other dynasties in China had worked more on the wall and made it longer. The Han, Sui, Northern, and Jin dynasties all repaired, rebuilt, or expanded the Great Wall. During the Ming dynasty, the major rebuilding work took place. Sections of the wall were built with bricks and stone instead of earth. It took more than 2,000 years for building and completion of the Great Wall. Popular attractions that are open. The Forbidden City, including indoor exhibition wall, the Great Wall, the Temple of Heaven, the Summer Place. When was it built? It was first built on 210 BC as the protection against the nomad invaders, but the present wall dates from the Ming Dynasty. Key events: Zhou Dynasty 770 to 221 BC. State overlords built state border walls. Qin Dynasty 221 to 207 BC. The first emperor of Qin linked the Great Wall section on China's northern border. Han Dynasty Han Wudi extended the Great Wall west to Yemen Pass and beyond. Ming Dynasty hero general Qi Jiguang rebuilt the Great Wall around Beijing. Thank you.